Nebo Micro USB rechargeable adjustable LED headlamp and cap light, bright spot light for camping, hiking, caving, fishing with adjustable head strap and cap clip, IPX4. Water-resistant special feature adjustable LED headlamp, lightweight color, black power source battery, powered light source type, LED material, plastic included components, flashlight, product dimensions 3, D/2, W/3, H battery cell composition, lithium polymer, number of batteries 1 lithium polymer batteries required. Included, water resistance level. Water-resistant brand, Nebo brightness, 500 lumen battery description. LED, runtime 3 hours, style, micro 500 plus 500 lumens. Manufacturer, Nebo part number NEBHLP, 1005 item weight 3. 24 ounces, country of origin China, item model number NEBHLP. 1005 batteries, 1 lithium polymer batteries required. Included, size 1 size pattern flashlight item package quantity 1, special features adjustable, LED headlamp, lightweight batteries included. Yes, batteries required.